Hey, in front of me is REALME 10 and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this REALME. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and choose System Settings. Now you need to select Keyboard and Input Method. Then click on Keyboard and tap on Text Correction. From here, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, after that, automatic text correction is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!